Good morning. So today we leveled up the chassis on the Cuda, the 73 Cuda. So she's leveled side to side, front to back, so that we can start disassembling the front. We added stiffeners down on the bottom down here. So our goal is to put these new plates, that clamshell together here on this side and on that side, and then start replacing the rockers. So that's our goal. Firewall, yeah, we're gonna be waiting a little bit. Everything's still on back order. But get them ordered. Ordering that.
They just came into stock.
Pardon me?
They just came into stock.
Oh, awesome. They just came in stock. So we're gonna get those coming, and we're gonna get the floor pan for the Firebird, because we gotta do freight. So if we're gonna do freight, we might as well put some freight in there. It doesn't cost any more to get one more panel. So we'll get my floor pan coming, and then we'll get this coming right here, and it is going to come together quick. So stick with us, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so we got this Cuda all supported now, supported on the frame rail, which it's kind of squishy, but it's doing the deed. So we got that up, we got it leveled up, front to back, side to side, real good. Checked in a couple different spots for side to side because we just kind of put those in there, but ended up being real level. Checked off up here, and then down across. It's as level as we can get it. Supported the rear axle on jack stands until we get the springs loose. We got to come in here and get the springs loose on the springs pockets right there. Get those off there so we can drop the axle out and get that weight off it. Because right now we can't put it on two supports up here on the front with that axle hanging off the back. So we tied in down here to keep this located. So we're located this way down to the rockers and then up to the roof line. So our thought process here is we can start taking this front end apart and it won't squish or move on us. So this is our next goal, is to take this off right here and start assessing what we're gonna do. We take this off, then we can start peeling these out, putting these in place. Whoops, sorry, you couldn't see that. Take this off and we can start putting these in. We got those new plates are sitting right here. We got all four. So there's two that clamshell together. Firewall on order. Yeah, that's just too far gone. So that's where we're at today. She's all leveled up. She ain't going nowhere till she gets firmed up. So in conclusion, we got this thing squared up. It's as good as it's gonna get right now. So we're ready to start disassemble. Dan cleaned off the rocker panels, took those, what do you call those that sit on the sill plates off, and so we could weld in there. And I welded some brackets or some braces in this morning, so we are solid from the whole top. So this should not move, and that's what we had to get done today before I went to work. And I have to head off to work now. And Dan's on his last day of freedom before he goes back to school. So Dan is over here working on it, and we're gonna get out of here now. So thanks for joining in, and we'll talk to you soon.